All right, guys, back at the lake. We are pre-fishing. Well, it's kind of like pre-fishing. Normally you want to pre-fish like 1 or 2 days before the tournament. We're pre-fishing, what are we, 5-6 days before the tournament. This tournament coming up is the Addicts. And why are we pre-fishing so early? Because we're going to be gone all week. We leave to Port Aransas tomorrow. We're going to do that's Tuesday. We're going to do a deep sea fishing trip through deep sea headquarters on Wednesday. Thursday we're going to do some surf fishing, and then we drive back Friday. So we have no time to do any pre-fishing. This is our only chance. So I got my buddy Leo back here.
Hey guys.
You probably haven't seen him in like 5 years.
5 years.
He says he wants to come fishing, but he never fishes. And we got Sammy. Got to get her in the camera. Been in a lot of my videos too. Gonna try and keep her awake. But hopefully we'll catch some fish. But this should be our team for Saturday. My daughter, I don't know, she may or may not be with us. She's going with us on the deep sea trip, but I'm not sure if she's coming with us on the tournament day. So we shall see. Yeah, we're just gonna fish for like 4 hours probably. We got a lot of stuff to do. I brought all my rods, my better rods that I use for my personal use. So there's some pin battles. They've been in the storage, so I had to kind of clean them up a little bit, making sure that there's no frays on the lines, so we're cutting all the lines up, tying new rigs, we're just getting everything set up now so that we don't have to worry about it later in the week. And while we're doing that, we're going to be doing some fishing. So stay tuned, see how we do. Alright guys, see how big he is. You're big, keeper. got dinner. We got dinner. High five. There we go. All right, so we can get some more. Yeah, we spent like the first literally hour and a half. Like I said, we're getting ready for this tournament, so I had to retie all new leaders, new weights. I think I counted how many, I think, what, 21, 22 new leaders, 22 new leaders at a time. And these pen battles are the reels I typically use. So then we went through each and every one of them, checking for any frays, making sure we're trimming, and it took us about an hour and a half to get through all that stuff before we even started fishing. So we finally got the spot we were messing around with. We caught a couple of rat reds, but we also weren't even paying attention to the rods. Every time we had a small fish on there, we didn't know the fish was on because we weren't paying attention. But now we are fishing, so let's see how we do. We've been in the spot about 15 minutes. 22. I won't win the tournament. We need some 30s. But we'll see how we do. So if the tournament rules stay like they normally stay, it's 4 anglers per boat. You can fish with 8 rods. You can have more rods on the boat, but you can only have 8 rods in the water. So it's a mixed combination of redfish and catfish. So it's a 6 fish limit. You can only have 3 max of each species. So it's a mixed bag, honestly. And so most of the time when I'm fishing for catfish, I'm doing drift fishing. So I'm gonna have all of my rigs that I use for drifting. I'm probably gonna have them on maybe on a pool noodle or something. I haven't figured it out yet, but I'm gonna have those just ready to go. So when it gets time for us to switch, we can unravel them, reattach them to the new rods, and then we'll be good to go. So we're probably gonna have actually 10 rods on the boat, because 2 of them I still want to have my 2 rods. If you watch my videos, I usually always have 2 rods with the peg float for the redfish, so I can have 2 baits suspended. That one's a lot more harder to swap out. Hey, you see that jug over there? That red jug, Leo? All the way down there? I think that thing's swimming against the current. I think someone lost a jug.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
But yeah, those to swap out to a drifting rig, I'd have to cut the line, take off the floats, and it's a huge mess. So I'm gonna have 10 rods on the boat. And 8 of them will be able to switch. 2 will be with floats, 2 will already have catfish rigs, but when we're fishing for reds, we won't be using those. They'll just be in the boat. Then we get ready to switch to the catfishing. Then it's just 6 rods that we got to change the leaders to. So anyways, long story, but yeah, that's kind of our game plan. So we'll see how we do. If anyone watches my videos and if you guys got a red noodle jug, that thing is flying back over there against the current. So something's on it. All right, stay tuned. Small guy, he's probably 19. Here we go. 19-incher. Get some. more food. Okay. No, not right. Okay. Alright. Where's the stick? $19.5. Alright guys, we got two 19s and 122 out of that spot. We're gonna go get that jug. I'm not gonna keep the fish, but we're gonna go pick it up, get the fish off, see if there's any information on the jug. Hopefully there's a phone number on there, so I can call the owner, let them know I have it. Now we gotta find it. It was way the hell over there, and now it's way the hell somewhere over here. We lost it. We gotta go find it now. Stay tuned. I'm gonna get on this side. Wind one. Red, we're gonna throw them back anyways, but illegal to keep reds on jugs. Very healthy still, no phone number. And as I thought, no information, guys. So I can't even call anybody. This is an illegal jug. You gotta have your name, phone number, address, and the date. Let's see what's out there. It looks all. It looks bent out also. Alright. So you're throwing jugs, guys. Remember, still gotta comply with Parks and Wildlife rules. At least the red survived. He was still very healthy. So, alright, let's get back to fishing. Alrighty, guys. So we said today was basically just I think we fished about 2 hours. We were jumping around a lot of spots, just trying to get ready for the tournament this coming Saturday. We said just re-rigging all lines, tying up new rigs, just making sure everything's looking good. But yeah, we fished about 2 hours. Now we gotta go. I'm gonna go take the boat, fill up with gas. We're gonna take it to the car wash, do a detail, and just get everything prepped and ready. Got to be in line about 4 a.m. on tournament day. We'll go get in line, and yeah, wish us luck. We'll see how we do. So, till next time, guys. Later.